I'm gonna give y'all a little quick demonstration. I'm putting some LED tail lights in this truck. I've had them in there before, so I've already got part of them installed, but I wanted to make a video. That way it clear up any confusion anybody might have about it. I know that some people have had a little trouble getting their LED tail lights to work on the backup light side of things anyway. Take those two screws out, right up here and right down here. Your new tail light should come with a pigtail, kind of like this, and they will come with a box like that, which I've already, that's the part I've already installed. This is the original harness, and this comes off, this little pigtail comes off of that box. Take this pigtail, plug it in, just like to your original plug, just like so. Now you got your backup light and two pigtails coming off. Set y'all back. Let's see if I can set y'all up. Alright. You got your pigtails coming off of the tail light itself. They just plug right in. Both of them plug in just like that. This goes down here in the bottom. Snaps right into place. Tuck all these wires back out of the way so that they don't get pinched or anything whenever you're installing this. Like I said, I just mounted that box right there. It looked like a good place to mount it. Looked like about the only place to mount it. At first I thought it would mount on the tail lights, but I was wrong. Then you just reinstall your screws right up here and right down here. And this is what they should look like whenever you're done with them. Should shine really bright. That's your reverse light. They're really bright with that LED.